Hi, thanks again for tuning in to watch another EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder of Wash Industries. I'm going to keep it very simple. If you're shopping around, you're thinking about doing this business, what separates EWI from the rest is we build our components in-house to give you better value up front, to build that relationship, giving you better value up front, not just on price, but the whole package. Yes, our components, as you're buying it directly from the source, we can now discount it and give it to our clients because we're cutting out the middleman component guy and building our own product. We're also going to give you better warranties, better customer service because we stand behind our product. But everything you see here, we develop it. We bring it in-house so we have better control of, again, the value we want to give to our end users, our clients. And that's what we do here at EWI. More so, we've been in the service space in trash bin maintenance. We've gone out, procured municipalities over the years, worked directly with trash companies over the years to prove the concept and develop as we go based off the demand. But more so, we give you our Kickstarter package, which gives you marketing material, understanding how to approach the industry as a new startup, understanding how to sell this business. In addition, there's much more value from logo design, web development, custom wrap on the truck. We basically give you the best value up front, again, to build the relationship, to create longevity with our clients, and it hopes that we can earn your future business. Give us a call anytime. I'm still owner of a company who wants to hear your story, see why you feel you could be the next leader in this space. Give me a call, 480-789-0931. Love to chat with you. Make it a great day.